Sa panahon ngayon, naglalabasa na yung artificial intelligence. So, kung yung job nyo is pwedeng i-automate, as in, routinary lang yung job nyo, pwede na kayong replace ng AI. Pero huwag matakot guys, hindi lahat ng job pwedeng mag-replace ng AI. Okay? So, meron mga certain jobs na pwede i-replace ng AI. Pero sa panahon ngayon, medyo risk or naghanap na yung mga company ng mga cost saving in which kaya gumagamit nila sila ng artificial intelligence na analysis para mas mawala yung emotional na kasi minsan tayo nagde-decision tayo nadala tayo ng emotion. Kaya yun yung ini-eliminate ng mga company ngayon para sa kanilang mga statistics, analytics. Okay? Especially yun. So, sa video na to, isi-share ko lang yung top jobs na hindi pa pwede naman palitan ng AI. So, job number 1 is yung mga healthcare professionals. Doctors, nurses, caregivers, and medical aids. Yun, hindi sila pwede ma-replace ng AI. Bakit? Yung decision making nila or yung pag-assess emotional intelligence. So yun, tsaka critical thinking, kung gaano ka-critical yung buhay ngayon ng tao, is meron pa rin yung human touch. Kaya huwag kayong matakot sa artificial intelligence. Andyan sila para tulungan tayo, hindi para mag-replace ng healthcare professionals na trabaho. Pangalawa is yung artist. Although naglalabasa na yung mga artist na photo na ginagawa ng AI, video, kaya rin na i-generate ng AI, pero in reality, kailangan pa rin ng human, personal touch, especially yung mga paint artist. Di yan pwede generate digital lang yung AI, pero yung painters access yung paint, di yan kaya ng AI. Yung wood craftsmanship, hindi yan kaya ng AI. Okay? Tapos, artist tsaka designers, yun, hindi talaga siya. Kasi, yun nga, minsan yung creativity ng human being is beyond sa artificial intelligence. Okay? Pangatlo is yung entrepreneurship or yung business-minded people. Kasi yung critical thinking, in which very critical nga, ginagamit nyo pa ba yung critical thinking nyo as of this moment? So yun, critical thinking, nagpa-play yun sa business na gaano mo isi-steer yung company as a business. Okay? So yun, hindi yan ma-replace. Scientists and researchers, yun, since human touch pa rin yun, human analytics, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, yun, hindi ka basta-basta ma-replace ng AI. Pwede mo gamitin yung AI as a tool para mas more efficient yung research mo, pero in terms of replacement, no, it cannot be. Okay? So, yung AI is magiging partner natin. Magiging para siyang calculator. Kung dati, ano lang yung manual natin, yung math, ito yung AI is parang calculator or human assistance. Yun. Hindi siya replace talaga as a human. Okay? Tapos, ito, yung mga jobs na kailangan ng labor, complex. So, ito yung mga construction workers. So, hindi naman ma-replace ng AI yung hard labor, di ba? Kaya huwag kayong mag-alala. Constructions are still here and still here to stay. Yun. Tapos, skill trade. Yung masonry, yung carpentry, hindi yan ma-replace ng AI. Although AI can design, drawing lang yan, hanggang drawing. Hindi siya magiging parang actual. Tapos, yun. Tapos, personal care workers. Ito yung mga nagbabantay ng mga oldies or mga bata. So yan, hindi yan replaceable ng AI. So they are here to stay as a human partner, as a human tool. So never scared. Pero kung sa tingin mo, ikaw yung nagtrabaho sa kumpanya, tapos yung job mo is routinary, kayang i-automate, especially writing, design sometimes, and kung makikita mo lang, analysis everyday, napaka-risky. Kaya level up na ng skills, guys. Aside sa you're being replaceable, naghahanap na rin yung mga company kung paano mas more efficient yung tao. Kaya kung hindi mo pa nagamit yung artificial intelligence, take it as your advantage. Kasi itong artificial intelligence ngayon, libre pa yan. In the future, medyo meron na yang bayad. Okay? So that's the reality of artificial intelligence. Humans are here to stay, but yun nga, aided na tayo with artificial intelligence para mas efficient yung pagtrabaho natin as a company. Kasi yun nga, lahat ng company ngayon, mahilig na daw sa ChatGPT, AI analytics, in which kung hindi mo pa talaga na-understood yun, yung basic ng human, yung basic learning, paano read, write, and sing, yun. Kailangan mo pa rin yung basic bago ka maka-interact sa artificial intelligence. Okay? So, yun. Food servers, pwede pa yan ma-replace ng robots. But, with regards, ano pa ba yung risky? Yung mga pilot, pwede na kasi yan. Pero, yung critical thinking during an emergency, hindi yan basta-basta. Kaya hindi nire-replace yung mga critical jobs ng artificial intelligence. Like, yung pag-steer ng transportation, yung barko, eroplano, sasakyan. Although, sasakyan pwede na autonomous kasi within land, tapos maliit lang yung cargo niya, pero in terms of large, mas okay pa rin yung human interaction, although aided lang ng artificial intelligence. Kung meron kayong comments or suggestion or experience regarding sa artificial intelligence, paki-comment sa baba kung anong naging experience nyo and what do you think about the artificial intelligence, and is this helpful sa trabaho nyo or nagiging natakot kayo during narinig nyo yung artificial intelligence. So simple lang, make yourself relevant to avoid yung being replaced by artificial intelligence, and level up your skills para nga hindi ka magiging replaceable sa kumpanya. Okay? Or if you wanna do business, yun, maganda rin. By the way guys, I'm building my own business. So yun, napakaganda ng startup. So make sure na share and subscribe para subaybayan nyo yung business na launching natin. Although I built it several years ago and still growing, I'm not ready to publicly announce it yet, pero yun nga, napakaganda ng na pagsimulan natin, in which yun is not totally replaceable by AI, but it can be aided para mas more efficient and more profitability yung business natin. Okay? So maraming salamat, and huwag kayong matakot sa artificial intelligence. Make it as your partner sa trabaho for more efficient. Okay? So yun. Yan. Alright. See ya.